Hello guys, welcome to another daily analysis. So first of all, yesterday I analyzed the market and talked about why I wanted to see this price continue downwards yesterday. And I also said this was the region I was expecting to see the price pull into before the sale happens. And sometimes you may get your entry wrong, and I got the entry wrong on the first trade and I lost this trade. Then I got a reason to take another trade somewhere around here. I took that trade, and that one ended up giving me my 2 to 1 profits. Remember, I said I always like to run for 3 to 1, but depending on how the situation is, I could decide to run for 2 to 1, and that was what I did. I ran for 2 to 1, and I took this one out with profit. You can see that video is on the channel. I posted it yesterday. So down to today's analysis. Remember yesterday I talked about this area being an important area of structure in the market where I think the price will shift away from. And you can see that the price is already doing that. So down to the 15 minutes time frame. The reason why I didn't talk about this earlier was because um um found out their CPI event by 7 a.m. my local time. Now I can see the time is 7:21. So I wanted the event to first happen before I do this video. So from over here now, what we can see is that the price pulled into this area and has shifted away. And yesterday, during my analysis, I said this could just be a temporary downtrend into this area for a possible continuation of this uptrend. And I think that's actually what is happening, because if you look, you can see that it has pulled into this area, it has shifted away, and it's already showing signs of continuation upwards. So I'll just be careful with this because it's not fully confirmed. Once the price is coming off support or resistance, it's always difficult to tell exactly where the price might be going to next. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be watching out for the price around this zone. Let's just use this. I'm going to be watching out for the price around this zone right here. So if the price will pull down from here to this area, which is unlikely, I don't think it will do that, but this is the area where I'm going to be looking for entry reasons from. If the price will pull down to that area and give me a reason to take a buy trade, then I'm going to be taking a buy trade for a 1 to 3. I don't know how far it's going to go, but I'm going to be taking a buy trade for a 1 to 3. And also, if the thing just keeps on climbing without any form of retracement, um, I'll most likely from this zone around there look for a reason to sell for a retracement move, because if you observe the market doesn't move in a straight line. It moves in waves: up, down, up, down, up, down, or down, up, down, up, down, up. That's the way it moves. And you can see that that's where it has been moving from around there: up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And it has done this again. So it can move down and up, or it can move up and down first, then before it continues what it's doing. So if the price just comes all the way into this high without any retracement, I'll be looking to take a short trade. But what I'm looking for now is for the price to pull into this area. Then from that area, that's where I'm going to be looking for a reason to take a buy trade on gold for the next move higher. I don't know how far that will be, but I'll be targeting anywhere from 2 to 1 to 3 to 1. So depending on what the market gives me before the end of the day, I'm going to close it there. And I may not take this trade live. I won't take it live anyways, but I'm going to be posting updates on it on my Telegram channel. So if you want to know when I'm going to be posting this trade or when I'm going to be taking the trade, then follow me on Telegram. Also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so to support the channel. Alright, till the next video. Have a lovely day.